Applus+ Nor Control presents BUHO System. The Applus Group is one of the world leaders in testing, inspection and certification. We are a large company with an international presence in more than 65 countries on 5 continents. We provide our services through 6 divisions focused on different fields. In its more than 30 years of history, Applus+ Nor Control has become a benchmark in integral solutions in technical assistance, supervision, inspection, testing and consulting. Our experience enables us to adapt to our clients' needs. And our constant quest for client satisfaction is precisely what led us to develop the BUHO System, a highly innovative project that got underway in 1996 and positioned us as a pioneering company in the market. At Applus+ Nor Control, we are the leaders in inspections of aerial transmission and distribution power lines. We work for the leading companies in the electrical sector. BUHO System enables us to make a detailed analysis of transmission and distribution power lines and their fixtures extremely quickly, so we can offer solutions that meet our clients' needs while optimizing costs. Our professionals have inspected more than 650,000 kilometers of power lines. We perform all kinds of individual or combined inspections depending on our clients' needs. We offer thermographic, basic, ultraviolet, detailed and distances inspections using LIDAR technology. We have our own post-processing laboratory which enables us to speed up the inspection process and thus offer a better response capacity. We have state-of-the-art stations to analyze and record possible anomalies. This is Applus+ Nor Control, a company in constant motion that places all its knowledge and experience at the service of clients all over the world.